How to withdraw money from Phantom Wallet to Robinhood. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will exactly show you on how you can do this quickly and easily. Now, you want to navigate through your Robinhood account because we are going to get our crypto address from our Robinhood account. Unfortunately, Robinhood is not available on my country, but you can just go ahead and follow along. It's going to be simple. All you have to do is to navigate through the crypto detail page, select receive, copy your crypto address, and you should be good to go. Now it will basically go ahead and look something like this, where you have to go ahead and choose your coin, and a address right here will show up where you can then go ahead and copy that specific address. From there, just go ahead and open up your Phantom Wallet account. Click on the send button, and from here you can just go ahead and select whatever assets you have on your Phantom Wallet. Let's just go ahead and say that we want to transfer Bitcoin from our Phantom Wallet to our Robinhood account. So you can just go ahead and paste the Robinhood address right here, enter the amount, click on next, and you should be good to go. If this video has been helpful, leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you on the next one. Thank you.